Yes, beta. One more class with you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. One more class with you. You'll get sick of me only coming so many times to your class. Actually, initially first 3 days of the week I have a lot of classes with you. Then other 3 days you'll feel a bit relaxed. So what classes you've had since morning? You had one class with me, and the second also with me, and now the third also with me. Very good. So how are your studies going on? Otherwise, fine?
Yes, ma'am, they are going good.
Good. That's nice. Okay. Now see, I've shared because Keshav had missed out quite a bit. Now see this. This is chapter 1. Try to express the entire thing in a flow chart. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Just see this flow chart. Phases of evolution, places of evolution, social aspects, economic aspects, cultural aspects, and phases of Stone Age. One by one, we'll be revising the entire chapter in a nutshell. So first, just go through phases of evolution very quickly. Just the first part of the flow chart. Just observe it very carefully. You'll understand the entire chapter in this. Just see the first one, phases of evolution.
Ma'am, done.
Keshav, are
I'm
you
done.
done or should we wait?
No, ma'am, done.
Okay. Tell me, what did you understand?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in phase of you go
yes.
first.
Okay. Ma'am, from this flow chart, I can understand that the evolution of human beings to the present human beings that we see now started with the apes. The apes were the first mammals that to exist, and then the apes evolved into Australopithecus, which then evolved into Homo erectus. Homo erectus was the upright walking man who walked on two legs, while the previous two walked on four limbs. That were they had a quadrupedal locomotion. The Homo erectus then evolved into Homo sapiens, which are also known as the present day man. The modern day human beings further evolved, and then they started hunting and gathering berries, and further evolution happened. And that's it. Keshav, I'm done. You can start.
Okay. So, ma'am, the phase of evolution, the first stage, the human first is a ape, then Australopithecus. There are two subdivided species called Australopithecus and Homopithecus, then Homo sapiens. And the second, because the phase of evolution is subdivided in two parts, so the second part stays, then the modern humans and hunters and gatherers. So the human was first a ape, then Australopithecus and Homopithecus, then Homo sapien and modern humans, and then hunter and gatherers. The social
Okay.
aspect was of food and shelter. Economic aspect is for their development is farming, domestication of animals and trade, and cultural aspect is painting and stone tools. And the sources they have is fossils, stone tools, bones. Then we enter in a phase of Stone Age.
Yes, that we'll do later. Okay. So phases of evolution, basically it is a square h square. This is how we learn the formulas. A square h square. What does a square stand for? Yes, simple way of learning. A square, apes and Australopithecus. What does a square stand for?
Apes and
Apes
Australopithecus.
and Australopithecus.
And then h square is?
Homopithecus
Homo,
and Homo
Homo,
sapiens.
Homo erectus and Homo sapiens.
I'm
So when
sorry,
I talk
ma'am,
about
Homo
phases of
erectus.
evolution, later I'll make this thing remove from the screen and you'll have to write and show me. So remember the formulas. It is a square h square mh. Speak with me.
A square, H square, MH.
What is a square?
A square, H square, MH.
Apes
What-
and Australopithecus.
Very good. And what is h square?
Homo erectus and Homo sapiens.
Homo erectus and Homo sapiens.
And what is mh?
Modern humans and
Modern
hunter
humans
and
and
gatherers.
gatherers.
So the entire phases of evolution can be put in a simple formula. What is it?
Ma'am,
A
A square,
square, H
H
square,
square, MH.
MH.
Very good. Now, when we talk about social aspects, you know there are only two things we need. One is food and the other is shelter.
Shelter.
Social aspects, what are they?
Food
Food
and
and
shelter.
shelter.
What about economic aspects? How are they making money?
Farming, domestication of animals and trade.
Very good. So this is how they were making money. And what all they did in cultural aspects?
Painting and stone
Painting
tools.
and stone tools.
Good. And we have got this information from what are the sources?
Fossils, stone tools, and
Fossils,
bones.
stone tools and bones.
Very good. If I'll give you another 2 minutes, please scan it nicely. Then I'll remove it from the screen. Let me see if you'll be able to take it and write and show it to me. See it nicely. Anushri has some network issues, she's saying. Seen beta? Okay, now it is off your screens. Please immediately write and post it on the group. Let me see how much you can recall. Is it okay for both of you?
Yes.
I
Yes,
removed it
ma'am.
from the screen. Very good. Till sources, very quickly. Whoever finishes first and posts, please let me know. Anushree has taken a leave immediately after joining. This is not right.
Ma'am, I have posted on group.
Okay, let's check.
Ma'am, I too have posted on the group.
I'm just checking only, beta. I'm first checking for Keshav. Keshav, I think there is a spelling problem in the third one where we write H, no? Just check out for the spellings of homo. Rest I'm checking. Can we do that correction in spellings?
Yes, ma'am.
What spelling is wrong?
Ma'am, I want to know in which one.
Yes. Find out, Snehal. Where is the spelling wrong?
Ma'am, he is Homo erectus. O is missing after M.
Yes, exactly. I think in a hurry he has written, so O is missing.
Got it,
Got
ma'am.
it? Very good. You got it now? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we're coming to phases of evolution. You've already written about A square, H square. Have you written just now the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
So little more details about A square. Read quickly. When I say A square, I mean the ape and the Australopithecus. Read very quickly about these two A squares.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, in Australopithecus, it should be hominids or humanids.
Pardon, it should be?
It's written humanids. It should be hominids.
Yes, it should be hominids.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. So what did we read about apes? They were primates, no? What are primates? They are a part of a larger group. Which larger group?
Of mammals.
Yes, mammals. This also includes humans and
Monkeys.
monkeys. How many million years ago? Estimated they were found?
240 million years ago.
40 million years ago.
Okay, come to the second one. The hominids, they're further subdivided into branches, which are known as genus. I think we
Genus.
did this. Yes. Australopithecus and
Australopithecus and Homopithecus.
yes, we had done this about this. So we know about A squares now. What about H squares? What does Homo erectus mean?
Ma'am, upright
Upright,
man.
ma'am.
Yes. So they started walking long distances. Yes.
On the two legs and hands were free to lifting tools and infants.
And then we had the intelligent man. What was he called?
Homo sapien.
Yes, very good. So skull size and jaw size differentiates between Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. Skull size and
Jaw size.
jaw size. So we are going to write two lines about both of them, A squares and H squares. Come on quickly and post it on the group. Hurry up, bache. It's just a revision of the chapter, what we've done initially, so that you're confident with the notes also made. Just describe two lines, A square and H square. Let me know when you post.
Ma'am, can you please tell me what to do because my phone is disconnected from the meeting.
Peter, basically, one line describing A square and H squares. What all we read about A squares and H squares. We're just
Okay, ma'am.
preparing kind of rough notes. So just a little description, 1 or 2 lines.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in Australopithecus and Human erectus, both of them are saying that they were found 56 million years ago. But won't they be found on different timelines?
Beta, in million years ago also, there's a span of how many years?
Okay, like one.
When I
So,
say
like
1
it was
million
the
years, so
yes,
it can
ma'am.
be early or it can be late. Okay.
Okay,
If I say
okay,
2021, then 2021 could be early or late. And this is just 1 year. And we're talking about million years,
okay, ma'am.
late and early. Once you finish, let me know before you post, beta.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Post it on the group. Very good. You'll enjoy when you'll study together, beta. At home, you may not feel
Ma'am,
like
posted.
sitting alone. Okay, just telling. Good. Let me read. I'm just reading only. Okay, she's written about apes, Australopithecus. Keshav, how much have you done?
Ma'am, one last line.
Okay. Very good, Snail. Well done with them.
Thank you, ma'am.
See, this retaining capacity has to be increased. Only then you'll be able to perform well in your practice. Reading something, scanning it, and then retaining it. Snail, by the time you read the comparison, okay, of modern
Okay, ma'am.
humans.
Okay, ma'am.
By
Okay,
the
ma'am.
time Keshav is posting, you read modern humans. Okay, Keshav has also posted. Keshav, let me read. Good. Let me read what he's written. Nowadays, because of this COVID, nobody's in the habit of writing. So really you people find it difficult when I tell you to write, huh? Excellent, Keshav. Well done, beta. Well done, both of you. Very well done. Okay, now we are going to read the comparison of modern man. Just read the first 5 comparisons, that's all. And let's discuss them first. Beta, the first 5 comparisons.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me one each. You tell, then one Keshav will tell.
Ma'am, in the past, there were only one economic activity, that was hunting and gathering or making paintings. There were only two economic activities, which was hunting and gathering and paintings. But as developments happened, many other economic activities other than these two emerged, and nowadays many different activities are pursued by people.
Okay, she says earlier we just had 2 activities. What were the 2 activities?
Hunting and gathering.
Gathering and painting.
And then gradually the time changed. Okay, Keshav, one more change from you now.
And these include engaging in exchange and trade in minor forest produce and working as a paid laborers in the field of neighboring farmers.
That means settled agriculture has started or not? Or still food gathering?
No, ma'am, the new
Uh,
agriculture is started.
Yes. Earlier it was food gathering. They used to move from one place to another. Now they settle down. Okay, next from you, Snehal.
Ma'am, before there were no margins between geographical areas. The only thing dividing continents or areas was the seas or the water bodies or mountains. But now we have we have marginalized our areas or particular societies, uh, like politically, geographically, and socially. Ma'am, that's the third point.
Okay, very good. Keshav, yours.
The conditions in which